Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook professional mode not showing. So when Facebook, you want to turn your Facebook profile into professional mode, but there's just no option for it here under the three dots. We can see right here that I do have this professional mode option. However, if you don't have it, then here's actually how you can change this. So literally all you need to do, and you have two ways to fix this, is the first one is for people in certain countries, because Facebook will sometimes look different in certain countries. So if you, for example, live somewhere in Africa, then you will most likely have this lock feature, this lock profile feature right here. And then all you need to do is make sure to unlock your profile. Because why do we need to unlock our profile? Well, basically turning on professional mode will allow you to get more views and likes over on your post. However, it does need to have a public account, and by locking your profile you will not have a public account. So what you want to do is you want to make sure to unlock your profile, so that you can simply do by clicking on the three dots, and you want to click on unlock profile, just like in this picture. If you have done that and it's still not showing, and you most likely live somewhere in Europe, then what you want to make sure to do and try is you want to click on menu right here, and you want to scroll down till you find settings right here, and you want to search for audience. So all you need to do is type in audience, just like this. And once I typed in audience, you will see audience and visibility, where you want to click. And then what you need to do is you want to make sure the post is set to public, because you need to have a public account in order to turn on professional mode. So we want to make sure that posts, stories and reels are all set to public. Just make sure that everything is set to public. That's really important in order to get that professional mode option. And then all you need to do is click on the three dots, and you want to make sure to click on turn on professional mode, and that should fix the issue for you. So if you did so, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.